Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Yaris reverse light bulb. This is a straightforward task that you can complete with just a few basic tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a socket wrench, and of course, your new replacement bulb. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring a successful replacement. First, open your Yaris's trunk to begin. You'll see a plastic covering on the inside of the trunk lid near the taillight assembly. Look for a small access panel or grill directly behind the reverse light. Use your flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to carefully pry this panel open. Once removed, you will see 2 or 3 nuts holding the entire light housing in place. Use your socket wrench to loosen and remove these nuts. With the nuts removed, gently pull the entire light assembly straight out from the rear of your Yaris. Be careful not to damage any wiring. Once the assembly is free, locate the reverse light bulb holder, which is usually a distinct color. Twist this holder approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out and push your new W16W or 921 bulb firmly into the socket. Now, reinsert the bulb holder back into the light assembly, twisting it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Carefully guide the entire light assembly back into its opening on the vehicle's exterior, ensuring all tabs align. Reinstall and tighten the 2 or 3 retaining nuts with your socket wrench. Finally, replace the interior access panel. Before you finish, shift your Yaris into reverse to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.